Hello, my name is Wieslaw and I'm the head of XR Lab, Polish-Japanese Academy of Information Technology. And I'm going to present a research case study done by our lab in cooperation with Goethe Institute as a part of transdisciplinary cooperation within our Living Lab Kobo and research group HAZE. A case study of a Language Learning Bauhaus VR hackathon with Goethe Institute was organized as an educational and research project to tap into the dynamics of transdisciplinary teams challenged with a specific requirement. In our case, it was to build a Bauhaus-themed German language learning VR application. Each participating team consisted of members of various expert fields, that is, software developers, Unity or Unreal, designers, psychologists, and linguists. The results of this study cast light on the recommended cycle of design thinking and customer-centered design in VR, especially in interdisciplinary rapid prototyping conditions, where stakeholders initially do not share competences. We started the project with a kickoff meeting about a month prior to the hackathon itself. In it, we explained the scope of the hackathon and its main themes and presented the technology the participant would work with. First, let me give you some numbers to better understand the scale and atmosphere of this very special hackathon. There was like 34 participants divided into 5 teams and supported by 13 experts and staff, and supported also by 50 pizzas, 400 of energy drinks and 40 sleeping kits. The main event was more than just another 24-hour hackathon itself, as it lasted for 3 days and included an integration day and a tour of the venue. The integration had 4 main goals: to learn more about the participants' motivation, to improve their communication skills, to explore group interaction, and to invoke creativity among all the participants. There was also an introduction to the main principles of the Bauhaus School of Design, language learning, as well as VR, to level the playing field for all the participants. The further projects were judged according to 3 key criteria: innovation, functionality, and feasibility. Now let's move to the winning projects. The third place went to the travel project, which explored the potential of location-based VR interaction with a guide person, Walter Gropius, the founder of the Bauhaus himself. The second team created a labyrinth with multiple rooms where the users could engage with various grammar-based language learning games. The color scheme followed key colors and basic aesthetics of the Bauhaus. The winning team created an IKEA-like game based on the principle of learning by doing, so immersing in the language based on real-life interactions with the environment. The user would construct a piece of Bauhaus furniture following voice commands. Based on this experience, we prepared a set of recommendations to guide other teams who undertake the effort of organizing such transdisciplinary hackathons. First of all, balanced team composition is crucial, with all the members contributing equally and being aware of each other's expertise. Please also remember to set time aside for integration, as it greatly improves collaboration. Individual member empowerment is necessary so that the team members are aware of the scope of each other's knowledge on very different subjects. Also, the VR prototyping stage gains importance over paper prototyping, as it's easier for non-IT members to envision the proposed interaction. Finally, we have noticed the great motivation that comes from a multi-stage follow-up and consultations, which led to a real-life application of the projects, which is a common challenge connected with hackathons. So, that's it! Here I'd like to thank all the participants and staff and experts from our Transdisciplinary Living Lab Kobo and HAZE research group, which stands for Human Aspects in Science and Engineering, and who you can see in front of our hackathon venue R&D Center of the Polish-Japanese Academy of Information Technology in this very picture. Thank you for your attention.